Hey coffee lovers, ready to take your morning brew to the next level? Let me introduce you to Java Burn, the revolutionary coffee supplement that's flipping the weight loss world upside down. Java Burn is a tasteless, dissolvable powder that turns your everyday coffee into a fat-burning, metabolism-boosting powerhouse. Here's what makes Java Burn a must-have. Boosts your metabolism, helping you burn fat all day long. Enhances energy, no more midday slumps. Controls appetite. Say goodbye to those annoying cravings. All natural, non-GMO, gluten-free, and perfect for vegetarians. Using Java Burn couldn't be easier. Just brew your favorite coffee, add 1 packet of Java Burn, stir and enjoy. No changes to your routine, just better results. What makes Java Burn stand out? It's a synergistic formula, scientifically designed to work with your coffee for maximum effectiveness. Tasteless and instant, so it won't affect your coffee's flavor. Works with any coffee, hot, cold, or however you like it. And here's the best part. Java Burn is backed by a 60-day, 100% money-back guarantee. If you're not completely satisfied, send back the empty pouches for a full refund. Ready to supercharge your coffee and your weight loss journey? For the best results, grab the 180-day supply package from the link in description below. You'll save big and get free shipping. Remember, consistency is key. The longer you use Java Burn, the more benefits you'll see.